Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to draw an inspirational art painting using acrylics. To paint this picture, the size of the canvas which I have used is 4 by 4. Firstly, I have painted the canvas black for the background, and now I'm creating a small picture icon on it. As I have narrated before that it is going to be an inspirational art drawing, so I'm going to write a beautiful quote on it at the top of the picture. So here the drawing which I'm making is basically related to that quote. Here I'm actually making a bicycle that will depict a ride. Basically, the quote is all about the journey or the ride of life. So to represent that ride, I'm creating here a bicycle. To create this, I have used acrylic paints and I'm adding minor details to it. I have just used this color to create an outline for the bicycle, and I'm gonna make this more prominent by another color so that it will look more vibrant and more visible just because I have painted black as a background. So here from the brown color I'm going to make some of the little detailing of the bicycle, and at the front I'm creating some of the flowers to depict more energy to the picture. Now I'm relining the blue color with the green color because it is looking more visible to the black background. Once the minor detailing has been completed, I'm going to write at the top empty surface the quote which is the main and the central part of this picture. The quote I'm going to write is "Life is a journey, enjoy the ride." So here is the final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Stay blessed. Thank you.